Welcome to AppOmni SaaS Security Slice. My name is Brittany Bodane, and I'm a product marketer at AppOmni. When a user triggers alerts across multiple SaaS apps, the challenge isn't detection, it's context. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to investigate a suspicious user from the first alert to a structured investigation. We'll start on the Detection Alerts Triage page to view the full list of detection alerts and look for patterns. I group alerts by monitored service, then by identity. That shows me which platforms and which users need attention. Unlike traditional tools that just generate alerts, AppOmni correlates events within and across SaaS environments to give full context of what's happening, not just isolated symptoms. Here, one user stands out with multiple high-risk alerts in Okta. I want to zero in on just this user's activity, so I remove the monitored service grouping and focus directly on the AppOmni test user. Now I can see exactly where this user has triggered alerts, which helps me determine if this behavior is isolated to one environment or if it's part of something broader, like account misuse or a compromise in progress. Next, I'll bring back the monitored service to see where this user's activity is clustered. To add even more context, I can view trends and geolocation to validate timing and location, especially when activity spans regions. Unusual access patterns, like impossible travel or unexpected countries, can confirm whether we're dealing with a compromised account or just a misconfigured integration. Next, I want to know if these alerts point to something bigger. Looking closer at the AppOmni test user, I can see over 100 alerts across services like Microsoft, Salesforce, and Okta. Many occurred within the same time frame, which could indicate coordinated activity. To investigate, I sort by timestamp and select a set of alerts that look related. With those selected, I can create an investigation. I give it a name, assign it a severity, and assign it to myself for follow-up. Now I'm ready to work through each alert. At this stage, I want to check event data for indicators like unfamiliar IPs or new device IDs that might confirm suspicious activity. If more alerts show up later, I can add them to the same investigation to keep the full picture in one place. And if I'm not the only one working the case, I use notes to document what I've found, what I've ruled out, and what's next. After working through the initial alerts and documenting my key findings, I head back to check the investigation's progress. To understand what's changed, I can review the audit history. This shows what's been added and when. Everything related to this case stays in one place, so it's easy to pick things back up, see what's still in progress, and follow through without losing context. Being able to trace a suspicious user across SaaS apps shouldn't require guesswork or a dozen browser tabs. This process gives me a clear, connected view of what's happening, where and why, so I can investigate quickly, collaborate easily, and respond with confidence, and prevent SaaS breaches. Thanks for watching this episode of AppOmni SaaS Security Slice. For more how-tos like this, check out the rest of the series or reach out for a demo.